I like to eat jollof, but cook. Guys, see this mommy chewing apple while driving.
You know.
And on my bed. So they will not come in.
They are rushing to do share. Temperature. Room temperature.
And on my bed. So they'll showers a day.
So I know there. But we are also we can messing with I just said we have a baby and it's too cold. Into a man yeah called baby.
Yeah, Easter. Also, there's a more picnic. Informal would be 2 contracts. Guys, see this mommy chewing apple while driving. Apple. Oh my goodness. I'm gentle. I'm not worried. Apple is sweet because apple we back when one, but it's just that meaning why I'm impairing sometimes. I like it when I blend it with different fruits.
When you were in Ghana, what did you always say?
Yeah, when I was in Ghana, I used to like apples. I used to search for grapes. Very expensive. But here it's very cheap. Like it's affordable, but I don't like taking it. I like to take it in the form of smoothie. Yeah, blending it together. But yeah, but anything. For Ghana, you want to take it.
Go. Climb up.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down.
Hey, they've diverted. I think all the cars are picking here. Oh, that's why. Yeah, so you see the exit.
Oh, yee. Oh, right? Oh. Is that how we do? Wow, baby Caleb is opening. Wow, what is that? Pizza?
Yeah.
Wow, pizza, right? Baby, my light and Uncle Hannah. Baby Caleb. Baby Caleb has opened the pizza, right? You like it? See your mouth. Say thank you, Daddy. It's nice, right?
So, see what happens right now, baby.
No, darling. Initially, no, opening my own in the corridor. I need a lot of kitchen dirties. If you're moving from there. Today when I'm sitting, I use sharp no. That big kakra.
Yeah.
That you're in the chopper now.
Uh-huh.
Now for me to fix this one, so just another few minutes that way. This today.
You want it? No, this is okay. I can't have a cookie. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Can I craft right now? Have you some year that you come by and shit.
How we need that? That another way of it mine is a mona beer. There was a pot. Then you just like steam your vegetables like the way I'm doing it. Then you wash your food. Very fast, bro. With you. You may say me at least there is. You see the shrimp? See the shrimp?
Why are you saying that? It's okay. Hey, it doesn't even record it. Oh my god. I didn't record in our demo.
Yeah, maybe
Sorry. Me record it.
No, it's okay. It's
Okay.
Fried rice, crop and other pepper gumo. Fried rice, open other pepper gum. Fried rice, naturally no. Yeah, for pepper and come. But if you like heater,